Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw TIGRY from ROBLOX PIGGY. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw a circle right here for one eye. And then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another circle over here for the other eye, about the same size. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a little circle shape that goes right around here. And then I'm going to draw another one that just goes right around here, just for a little bit of some dark circles around the eyes. Now, right in between the eyes and down a little bit, I'm going to make an upside down triangle for the nose. So you just want to draw a line that goes straight across. And then you just want to add a little V shape on it for the nose. Now, starting here, we're going to make a big circular kind of oval shape for the mouth. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a big kind of oval shape, just like this. Now, starting down here by the mouth, we're going to make a big circle for the head. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a big circle right around here just to make the head of TIGRY. Now, right up here, TIGRY has some really small ears. So you just want to draw a little tiny triangle like this, and then a little tiny triangle like this for the ears. Now, right here by the face, I'm just going to draw a little line out like this, and then a little line out like that. And then I'm going to draw the body. So you just want to draw two lines going down on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves in and down, and then another one right here that kind of curves in and down. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes straight across. Now, for the legs, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over, and then it's going to come up like this. And then I'm going to do another one right here. Go down, go over, and then up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line. Now, starting here, we want to make the arms. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Just draw a little line that kind of curves down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of loop around. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line like this for the hand. So same thing over here, just kind of loop this around. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves back. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up to here. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down here. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes over like this. Now, he carries these two little swords. So I'm just going to make a little circle shape right here, and then a little circle shape right here. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, down, and then over like this. Same thing here, just go up, over, and then down. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes back here, and then a line that goes back here. Now, for some little details on here, I'm going to add a circle here, and then a circle right here for some cheeks. And then TIGRY has these little rectangle-shaped stripes. So I'm just going to add 3 little rectangle-shaped stripes on the sides of the face. And then I'm just going to add 3 little whiskers on each side of the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of Tigry from Roblox Piggy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.